7.
Where'd 7 go? Did I lose 7? Sorry about that. Oh yeah, find everybody. Yeah, sorry about that. Infringement Notice Provisions, Litter Act 1979. This is an opportunity to review them. So, Mr. Gladney speaking, Mr. Green?
Yeah, I'll quickly speak to this. So, it's been some years since the council previously did a resolution to allow some fines for under the Litter Act. In fact, in 1980. So I think the last fine was $20, which in 1980 is probably worth a few more dollars than today. The Act allows us to issue a fine no greater than $400, so we can set the fine below that for various offences. You've got a recommended sequential fine system there: 100, 200, 400, 300, $400 for different offences. So essentially, this is asking for that resolution so that then officers can use that power when and where it's necessary, rather than the $20 that we've got at the moment.
Okay, cool. I'll open up the council. Come straight.
Just as a matter of interest, how many fines are there for this usually in a year account?
We haven't done any last year because at $20 it's really worth the transaction cost, but I think we've had about 118 odd instances where we've dealt with litter over that 12-month period.
Just if I can add, I've always my concerns before the Act. I personally dislike the littering our roads, so I'm all for this raising please.
Seconder, Councillor, before I put it to the vote, is there any more? No? Okay, all those in favour? Aye. I would like to take the opportunity to tell you that there was a case of a vehicle travelling south from Taupo quite some months ago, and out the windows flew a whole lot of McDonald's boxes and what have you. The registration number was taken, the people were taken to court, the judge chucked it out because the driver couldn't be identified. So it's a hard job out there, and I totally support increasing these fines. I know a lot of people are dumping on the side of the road and seem to manage to leave envelopes and things with their names in them, so I think we need to get pretty strong about it, because we've got a beautiful district, it needs protecting, so I totally support that agenda item. Agenda item number 8, proposed street names for a small subdivision. It's taking